Mr. Swaby.
Evening, Toniann.
Come in.
Thank you.
You can have a seat, you know.
What is really about?
Mr. Swaby, you don't have to be so defensive. I think it's time we talk. Would you like something to drink?
Toniann, you never invite me for no drink, you know. You say we need for talk.
Alright. I realize it will start off on the wrong foot, and it's my fault. I want to apologize for that.
So, what exactly you apologize for?
The first time I meet you, we did up on a defensive side, and we never sure one mother in our relationship.
But you know, say that I never your decision though, right?
I know that now. I'm understand it now, because me and mother did have a disagreement about it.
Toniann, I understand say you don't know me, you know. I try to protect your mother. But you have to get things time.
That's the reason why I'm call you over here. I don't like the fact that you and my mother in our relationship and me in our talk.
I never rate that either, you know. But me I say sooner or later you will overs. Yeah?
Call this a peace meeting. I would love if the two of us have a conversation.
Alright, call it that now. So we would love to have a conversation about.
You sure you don't want to offer drink?
No man, good man.
Alright, the first thing, I want to thank you for what you do to my mother business. Because from you and I in our relationship, the business start grow.
Well, the reason why it got away there, you know, was start as business partner and it just transitioned in our relationship.
Well, whichever way to go, the business at work and the two on look happy.
Toniann, how close are your mother is?
Well, we just kinda get close. And me don't know if she tell you, but she never in my life when me younger.
Yeah man, she tell me we are going. She tell me that she'd have a tuck in for a while. You know what I mean?
And that's why I'm so defensive when it comes out to she in our relationship. She makes some bad decisions.
Everybody make them. But all we have to do is just learn from them and I time them.
Listen, Mr. Swaby. From my mother tell me about her past, she make bad decisions. And from she in my life, I just want the best for her.
Well, you see, Toniann, you have to know say I know you alone want the best for her. Other people want the best for her too. Yeah?
But the thing is, she never have a whole heap of friends. And the people that were in her life before use her.
Oh, so you think of that me I do?
I never said that. Because I never know you had happened so fast. I just feel like to intervene.
Alright, let me tell you this. Check for your mother, you know, not just as a person we mean I'm a relationship with, but as a business partner. And the business that she you know, have a whole heap of potential. That's why I may help her.
Out of curiosity, you have any other business where you invest in?
Nine of them, from bar to salon to real estate, whole heap of other business. Can't remember the rest of them.
Wow. Sounds like she's in good hands. So, how fair business are going now?
When last I talked to your mother, if you say you want her to get close, she's supposed to tell us that the business are run good.
Yeah, she tell me. But the situation business savvy, I want to hear from the business person.
Well, your mother have 5 new destinations now, not just only in Jamaica, but in the Caribbean. And she have 2 new bus. She have a full staff, plus we pay them every month on time. So that should have tell us that the business are going good. Yeah?
Talking about boss, my mother tell me the other day say she want to get a new driver because we want to get rid of the old one.
Yeah. You want to say them youth you want money but them don't want work for it, you know. So we have to get rid of him. So for now, I may drive the bus.